In front of me is Motorola G75, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Use the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google if it's not already on, and tap on Google Password Manager to select the password you wish to edit. Now enter your login method, hit Edit button and make your changes. When you finish, remember to hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!